Hello! Today we are doing Module 6, Lesson 4, and the objective is to name points using coordinate pairs and use the coordinate pairs to plot points. So today's lesson is a little bit different because it's actually playing Battleship. Now, we know that a lot of you cannot probably print this paper and play Battleship, so what I have done is attached a link for you, if my computer will let me get to it. Maybe. There we go. So if you go into Shobi, in Lesson 4, it says, here is your assignment for the day, play Battleship. So here's a link, and you're just going to click on it like I just did. And you're going to click Start. We're going to mute that so you don't have to hear it. And it says Battleship War. So we're going to push play, and we're going to play Classic. So the first thing you need to do is set up your battleships. So I'm going to just kind of spread them out. And you can rotate them with that button. I'm going to move this guy down here. Or maybe I'll leave him up here. And I'm going to rotate and put all my ships on until the last one is on there. Okay, so all my ships are spread out. And if you notice, when I put the last one on, it says play now. So I'm going to click play. Now, here is our coordinate plane. But what I want you to notice is the difference is that these are letters. So, instead of the numbers like you have right here is the x-axis, and it goes from 1 to 14. This is the alphabet, and it starts up here at A. So, it's going to be very similar. So, this would be spot 3, 1, if this was a 1. If I went over here, you can't see me, my x coordinate would be 8 and my y coordinate would be 4, imagining that right here in this corner between the 1 and the n is a 0. So what you're going to do is pick a point. I'm going to do 8E, and I am trying to hit my opponent's ship. They try to hit mine, and I'm going to guess again. And they're going to guess again. And we're going to just continue trying to sink our opponent's battleship. And we're missing. Let's see if we can get a hit somewhere. Nope. Guessing again. We're going to spread them out a little bit. Nothing yet. And if you guys have the real Battleship game, that would be even better. You could play with your parents or your brothers or sisters. Oh, there they go. So they hit my battleship. Now I've got to try to hit theirs. Oh, I did. I got one. So now I can see right here at 2M or 2-2, I hit one of their ships. So I want to guess right around this point. So I'm going to try 3M. And I hit it again. And now I'm going to try 4M. And it looks like I sunk theirs and they sunk mine. So when I'm done and I sink a ship, it puts X's in. And that is how you play this game. So this is really just a fun, easy lesson, but you're using a coordinate plane, which is what we've been learning. Remember to count over and up while you're making your choices for hitting. And that's all you need to do today. And the exit ticket. Alrighty, have fun!